If you don't like tuna, this recipe is not for you. Do your best not to get it. Oh man. Hi everyone. It is summertime here, and one of my favorite things to eat for lunch in the summer is a nice cool salad. And one of my favorites from growing up is this tuna noodle salad. And so I asked my mom for the recipe, and she's like, I don't really have one. And I was like, what? And so she sent me just kind of off the top of her head what she thought the ratios were. So we're gonna give it a go. And Mom, I'll let you know how it goes. Clearly, I'll give a taste test for it. But there's a ton of cold tuna noodle salad recipes out there, and this is just the one that I had growing up, and I really enjoy it. So I thought I'd make lunch with you guys today. So back here, I have a big pot of water boiling. It's boiling now, so I'm going to salt my water well to season our pasta. So I have elbow noodles here, and this is just the noodle shape that I prefer. And of course I have whole wheat. That's just how I try to roll. And we're going to use half of this box. This is a 1 pound, 16 ounce box. It's not 1 pound, 16 ounces. It is 16 ounces. Don't want to confuse anyone. So I'm going to use about half of this box. And I'm going to cook my pasta according to the directions on the box. So my box says 6 to 7 minutes. That reminds me I need to set my timer. And I'm going to stir every couple of minutes. Now, we need a cucumber. We're going to add about 1/4 cup of finely diced cucumber. And I have an English cucumber. It tends to have fewer seeds, and it doesn't matter if you use a normal cucumber or those little mini cucumbers, pickling cucumbers, or an English cucumber. This one just has smaller seeds, so it's one reason that I like it. But also the skin isn't quite as bitter. So I have little silver dollar size pieces, and we're just gonna finely dice those. Now, this is a tuna salad, so if you don't like tuna, this recipe is not for you. You can head on over to my channel and you might find another summer salad over there that you like. Or in the future, I plan to be adding more summery salads, videos for how to make other summery salads to my channel. So hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you know when I do drop the next recipe, and maybe it'll be something that you like if you're not a tuna person. But for the rest of us, we have our finely diced cucumber. Oh, that one escaped. So just little pieces of cucumber. And I have a large mixing bowl here. We can just put your cucumbers right in it, right in your bowl. And then we have 2 cans of tuna. It doesn't matter what kind of tuna you use, whatever you like to use that. And so these are like your normal small cans. They're 5 ounces. So 2 5-ounce cans of tuna. We aren't going to be chopping anything, so you don't need your cutting board anymore, but I'm going to use it to catch any tuna juice. And I'm using tuna that's been packed in water. And I'm going to drain both of my cans. And tuna juice is kind of stinky, so do your best not to get it. Oh man, lots of juice. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can use a spoon for this, but sometimes your hands are the best utensils, and my hands are already covered in tuna juice, so you'll have to excuse me. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna give my hands a good washing. Okay, so right now we just have tuna and cucumber in our bowl. I'm going to put the dressing ingredients in the bowl first, and then we'll add our pasta. So once your pasta is done, go ahead and drain it. If you have time to let it cool off, great. If not, what I did is I reserved a little bowl of pasta water. That'll go in our tuna noodle salad if we need to thin out our dressing a little bit. But then I drained the rest of the water out of my pasta and I ran it under some cold water for a little bit to help cool it off. And it's at about room temperature now. So I just have this set aside until we're ready. For our dressing, I have Miracle Whip. And now I know some people don't like Miracle Whip, but it has a tang to it that is what I'm used to for this. So I'm using Miracle Whip. If you don't like it and you like mayo, go with mayo. If you don't like either of them, then my recipe is not for you. There are a ton of other tuna noodle salads out there that I'm sure you can find and that would fit your taste. And then here I just have homemade onion soup mix. And you can buy, I'm sure you can find recipes for this online, but you can buy packets of it at the grocery store. And we need 2 to 3 teaspoons. I'm doing 3, we're living on the wild side. It's probably smarter to start with 2, but what can I say? So we're gonna give this little mix first. Try and get all of the onion soup mix kind of spread out, as well as the Miracle Whip, kind of get the tuna and the cucumbers coated. And if you have any big chunks of tuna, now's a good time to break them up a little bit. And that's pretty good tuna just like that. You could eat that as a sandwich or on crackers. Yum, another idea. But that's not what we're making today. So I'm going to take my pasta and we're gonna pour it right in. Now we're just gonna fold it all together until it's all one homogeneous mixture. So no big clumps of tuna. And we want to get our little dressing of Miracle Whip and onion soup mix all over our noodles as well. All right, I think we have it. So we have little pops of green from our cucumber and then tuna all throughout. So we need to give it a taste test to make sure we have enough onion soup mix and or Miracle Whip. Yum, tastes like childhood to me. One more taste test because I'm debating if I want to add just another tablespoon of Miracle Whip. No, I think this is good. And there was still a little bit of water on my pasta, or possibly in the little elbows, and that worked out. And I don't want to add any of my reserved pasta water. But all you do now is chill it. Well, you can eat it like this. It's kind of like room temperature right now, but it's great. It keeps well in the fridge. Just pop it. If you have a lid, put a lid on, or you can store it in a different container. But pop it in the fridge and then get it out whenever you're ready, or you can haul it off to a picnic, or it's a great side dish for a barbecue. It's just a nice cold salad. It's relatively light for a pasta salad. You don't have a super heavy dressing on it. Let's give you a little close-up. So you could definitely add more cucumber. The cucumber just brings a little added freshness to it. So I'll leave that up to you. I'll leave how much I used down below in the description. I'll put the recipe down there for you guys. But Mom, you did a good job of giving me the recipe right off the bat, so thank you. And yeah, go try this out for yourselves. If you like tuna, or if you know someone who does, send them this recipe. Like I said, perfect for summer, a nice, cool, relatively light pasta salad for it being pasta. It's super delicious. The onion soup mix just brings an awesome flavor to the salad. Here's an idea for your next picnic or barbecue. And how easy was that? You can put most of this together. You can chop up your cucumber, drain your tuna, mix in your Miracle Whip and your onion soup mix, all while your pasta is cooking, and then run your pasta under cold water so that it's cooled off. Dump it right in here. It takes less than a half hour, and that probably includes the time it takes to get your water boiling. And then you're ready to go, or you're ready to just pop it in the fridge. So super easy, perfect for summer. If you try this recipe out, let me know if you like it. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment for me if you would like to. Tell me if you have your own tuna noodle salad. Let me know how you make it down in the comments. But if you'd like to see more videos from me, I hope to bring you some more fresh summer salads in the next month or two. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you know when I do drop those videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.